Good morning, everyone. This is the Punyavati, Political Science Lecturer in GDC Hyderabad. Today we discuss the first sem topic, the political science. What is the political science? Nature and significance, importance. Okay. Now discuss the political science, nature and scope and display and relationship with the like history, economics, philosophy, sociology, and psychology. Meaning of the politicals, approaches, study of the politicals, and key concepts, society, sovereignty, power, and citizenship, religion, global order. The this is chapter. The first chapter, political theory, nature and significant systematic reflection on politicals, the nature and purpose of the government and political institution, involving the both are to understanding them and it necessary how to change them. This is the quite word. Political activity is an activity connected with the meaning of man collectivity life through the state. For classical period onwards, political business has been about how how fundamental citizen activity is, how to provide the groundwork of the human citizens, which derive man from all the living live. The political activity is an activity connected with the managing for man collectivity life through the state. Now we discuss the what is the political science and how to relations with the other subjects like history and economic, philosophy, psychology, sociology. These are all subjects related with the political science is the part of the in olden day. This is the only for political science. When we see the subjects of the history, it tell about the past tense. In past, we have what is the rule, how to run in uh, king administrations. Those past things are discussed by the history. Now again, political economic. Economics is a deal with the now at present situation. What is the credit? What is the debit? And what is the economic policies? And other countries to how to deal with the policies. These are those things are discussed by the economy. And sociology means is a we only society, how to change the society, what is the society, how to improve the society, who leave the society. Those things are discussed by the sociology. And philosophy is a structure of the humanity and how to clarify given by the human psychology. Those are things are discussed by psychology. Philosophy means it is the uh, only for refer, this is rectified by the up to born to end. This is a only again meaning of the political science. These approaches to study of the politics, modern approach, new Marxist approach. Those approaches discussed by the political science and meaning. And then third one is the concept of the state. What is the state and society, sovereignty, superpower and powers and citizenship, national and global order or empiricalism. Both are discussed by the this third point. Means what is the state, what is the state organs and modern state organs, society, how to develop the society, what is the society, and sovereignty means the higher power, authority, powers, and citizenship. how to develop the citizenship and what is the citizenship of national, what is the national of a nation, how to grow the nation, globalization orders, those are things is discussed by this topic. This political theory, nature and significant system is reflected on politics, the nature and propose the government and political institutions and understanding them the and if we necessary, how to change them. What is the called political activities is an activity and connected with the management of the mass and collectivity life through the state. What is the state? How to develop the state? Those things are discussed by the political science. అంటే రాజ్యం యొక్క లక్షణాలు రాజ్యానికి రాజనీతి శాస్త్రం ఇతర శాస్త్రాలతో సంబంధం అగైన్ రాజ్యము సమాజము సార్వభౌమాధికారం అధికారము సిటిజన్షిప్ నేషనల్ జాతి పౌరత్వము జాతీయత ప్రాపంచికీకరణ ఈ అన్ని విధానాల గురించి మనకు రాజనీతి శాస్త్రంలో తెలుసుకుంటాము అని అర్థం చేసుకుంటాము. ఇది ఈజ్ ఏ నెసెసరీ థింగ్స్ మనకు ఒక అంతర్భాగంగా ఉంది. అంటే చరిత్ర అర్థశాస్త్రము రాజనీతి శాస్త్రం తత్వశాస్త్రము సామాజిక శాస్త్రము ఈ శాస్త్రాలతో రాజనీతి శాస్త్ర సంబంధం హౌ టు రిలేటెడ్ విత్ ఈచ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అంటే ఎలా సంబంధాలను కలిగి ఉంది. అగైన్ ఈ కమ్ టు ద మీనింగ్ అర్థము వివరణ దాని పరిధిని కూడా మనకు వివరించబడుతుంది. దృక్పథాల ద్వారా మనకు నయావాద దృక్పథం మార్కెస్ట్ దృక్పథం ఈ దృక్పథాలతో మనకు అర్థశాస్త్రం గురించి వివరించడం జరుగుతుంది. అదే విధంగా రాజ్యము సమాజము సార్వభౌమాధికారము పవర్స్ అధికారము పౌరత్వము జాతీయత ఇలాంటి అంశాలను మనము ఈ అర్థశాస్త్రంలో చదువుకుంటాం. When we see the political science is nature significant system is reflected on politicals, the nature and the proposal government and political institutions, the understanding the and if is necessary how to change them and both understand the political activities and activity connected with the management of man's collectivity life through the state. The former classic period onwards, political specificity has been about how fundamental political activities, how it through the groundwork of the human relation civilization, which is in man from all other living cultures, creations, and into the basic problems, how to live together in an community because believing to the necessity. Those are discussed necessity by human nature for individual life, political theories to the understanding and explain and analyze the political way and mean by the shortcoming political theories is the complex subjects is this is the because the western traditional it is like 2300 years old and has attended by the philosophy kings economic and socialistic popes and others. The members of the political theoristic is very large and is interesting. The community of those engaged in this field has been so different that we are faced with the difficult task of the answering the simple questions. What is the political theory? What is the political theory? Moreover, because of the diversity and changes in the socio-economic curriculum, there has been sufficient changes both in subject matters of political theory and matter methods and studying it. Is a focus on the political science, is a theory and is understanding. ఎలా political science అర్థం చేసుకోవడం is what is the political thinking is the West go on back Eastern Asia, but political science as the subject of the highly learning related of the research organs. It has the developed much only the during the latest 8 years. The exclusively the political science has been and end up with the raising the democratical and nationalism. Politicals has been become every affair. There separate of the education has led to the growth of the political awareness among the masses of the people. Uh, the people have also become a very attacked. Therefore, there presently no one can ignore the common man. Public opinion has become the fact of the significance in terms of understanding the variation political science subjects. It's on the understanding, explain, and analyze the political science because of the diversity and change in the socio-economy of the society. There has been uh, changes both in the subject matter of the political science and methods of the study it. In the political science, there has been some disagreements in great on use of the political terms, while some of the perfect of style as political science, other continuity to use the old Greek political form, still other names of the simple as a science of the politicals policies. This is the political science meaning and his introduction. The term of political science is the Greek word polis, which means the city. To ancient Greek, political was the knowledge connected with the affair of city, but to them, the city and the state where is the they live in the what we now refer to the city states. Those areas did not exist very much belong a small city. It is the politics as generally understand. This is the political science and theory and methods in study it in the study by the state of the government. But some of the creation is written by the some uh, thus in the political science study of the state and government in mm, meaningly definitions of the political science study the political science in with the problem of the definitions and of and to the law especially political vocabulary and terms and principles. Several times in political science can be explained clearly like those the science like a philosophy, sorry, psychology, chemistry, physics, and biology, which have the universal accepted special vocabularies. The definition of the principles given by the political thinker may be other thinkers know some wrong or the other. However, universal accepted definitions of political science is not available. Aristotle is the founder of the political science, was the first thinker who used the terms of the political in the politics. The term of politics is derived from the Latin word politics, which is written to the derived from the Greek word polis. which means is the city states. Politics is a subject to deal with the activities of the city state. The Greek use the term the political politics to the describe the local of the state and numerical activities and aware of the police. The J.W. Governor political science beginning and ends with the state. That is the political science. Is the end is the start, beginning and end with the deal the state. That is the political science and that means is the political science starting to ending. What we do, what we did on the that particular period, that is the political science and RG getting political science is the historical investment of the state has been analyzed the study of the what is the state and what is the political, what is the ethics description of the state should be. That is the political science. Political science deal with the state and government. It is given by the what the political science to deal with the state and end with the government. That is the political science. Again, we uh, political science, we given some definitions in whatever we think on that period, particular period. This is the more, again we describe the modern definitions and classical definitions also. In political science is empirically arranged to the shape and shade of the power. David Easter, political science is a science which is the connected with the all those variation of the activities that influence the significance, the kind of the authorities policies adapt for the society and the way it is but put into the practical and the authorized of the values of the society. That is the political science. Political science connected with the itself with the life of the man in the relations of the organization of the organized the state. That is the Losky is still about. What is political science connected with itself with the life of the man in the relations to the or organized the state. That means the man is beginning his life in state, again is itself into the state. He that is the organ of the state and Max Weber, the political science struggle for power or the influence or those in the power. Political science center on the struggle to again the power to executive powers influence over the other the powers means is a political science means is a mean of the powerful again authority. These all are only entered in the పొలిటికల్ సైన్స్ అంటే ప్రభుత్వము అనేది రాజనీతి శాస్త్రం అనేది ప్రభుత్వం ద్వారా నిర్వహించే విధులను గురించి తెలుపుజేస్తుందని ప్రభుత్వాన్ని మనము అత్యున్నత అధికారంతో పోల్చవచ్చని మనం చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. Scope of the political science having the defend on political science, we have to consider the scope. It is not a easy task to determine the borders, lines of the political science, which is as the science of the ancient Greek state. With the growth in the functions of the state on the one hand and political constitutions on the others. The scope of the political science extend not only to the state, but also to the society and the human affected relating to the governance. Political science around the organs of the activities of the society and the state and the government. It deals with the historical investigations and record the conditions under which earlier state and government. Likewise, the while analysis the present state, it take up the matter such as the proposed structure and functions of the state. It is related with the individual and groups have the covered the past and present and political science future tell about in the future. The those is done by the values and ethics beside on the build the of these theories. The garner the scope and political science is determined by the view the mm, connectivity with the state. The those the borderly by be classified under the state as it is the state it has been and state it is to the to be means is the political science scope is defined for very difficultly. Nature and significance. And political science between the theories and political thought, political philosophy, political science. As stated above, the political theories study the empirical point of the views. In the context, create the smaller terms are also used such a political thought, political philosophy, political science, all of them with the explained by the political science at the political theory from terms uh, of the political theory from other terms as the follow. This is the political science and scope of the political science and important. We discuss the what is the political science definitions and classical definitions and modern definitions and scope of the definitions. Okay. Tomorrow we discuss the importance of the political science and scope of the political science and the nature of the political science. This is the and importance of the political science. Thank you.